All right, hey guys, this is CE Prep 14, and I'm still limited to 5 minutes of video, so I have a bunch of stuff pre-copied, and you're just going to need to hit pause and copy some stuff down. So this one's all about mean, median, and mode. I have them all copied down here for you, and you already know some stuff about those. So the mean is the mathematical average of a data set. Add all the stuff up and divide by the number of stuffs in the data set. Okay, the median, literally the number exactly in the center of the data set. But you do have to order those from least to greatest or greatest to least, and then just slash them off, like cut off the top one from the top and the bottom, then the next two, then the next three, then the next four. Find the exact middle. The note in pink, if there's an even number of data points in a data set, there will not be an exact middle. So add the two center numbers together and divide by 2, and that will be your median. Okay? The mode. The mode is the number that appears the most in a data set. If it is possible to not have a mode, so every number appears individually only one number of times, then there's no mode. And it is possible that 0 is a data set number. It appears more than once, and 0 can be your mode. Okay? So hit pause, copy those down. And then when you start your varsity assignment, I recommend you start with numbers 3 through 6. There's only about 10 to 15 numbers in those data sets, and they're pretty straightforward. I'm going to model numbers 1 and 2 on the next two screens, hopefully within the next 3 minutes or so. All right, so here we go. Okay, so question 1 gives you this information, data, and also frequency. So I wrote down this note, again, hit pause, says find the median value for each data range. So these are actually fairly straightforward because there's 5 data points within here. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So the median for these that are the 0s to 64s or 74s, this will be 72, this will be 82, this will be 92, this will be 102, and then 65 to 69, that median would be 67, 77, 87, and 97. And then you'll notice the frequency. So I told you here to, find the median value. We just did that. And use its frequency, the given number of times, for a new list to generate the mean. So if I have the median and the frequency, I'm going to go just 62 times 1 is going to give me a 62. And I'm going to make a new list. So 67 times 1 is 67. Then I'm going to get to 72 times 4 is whatever that's going to be. And I'm going to keep on going. And then when I'm done, I'm going to divide all these up by however many there are, right? So there's 10 of these, 21 of these, 10, 21, 12, 12, 5, 10, 4, whatever there are. And the frequency is going to be your sum. So when you do your division, okay? Sorry, I can't model this, but I mean, as you guys have been doing mean, median, mode for a long time. So your sum is going to be the number that you're going to end up with. So you're going to get a big list divided by, let's see, here's 10, 20, 20, this is 24. So 20, 44, 44, 45, 46, 66. 67. I don't know. I did that in my head. Oh, here's more. 72 maybe. So that would be a 72 when you add all those up. So you're going to add them all up and then divide by 72, right? So that's how that one's going to happen. All right. And then they're asking you here for the mean and then 1 decimal place. So make sure that you're reading those things down very carefully. Okay? So that's not difficult. You just need to make sure you're using the frequency and the median of the given information. Okay, the next one is a little bit bulkier. So they give you this giant table. There's actually 70 numbers in this table. Find the measure. It says using technology, find the measure of the central tendency for the following raw quantitative data set. So I used Excel. I pre-typed all of these data points into Microsoft Excel. It didn't take me that long. You do need to make sure that you don't make a mistake. But this is where Excel